Good medical morning. This is Watson, your Prince of Popping and Warlord of the Weird from World's Greatest Medical and the Medical King channels, with another fantastic voyage into the poptastic world of dermatology and medical procedures. Let's kick it off right about now. For starters, can you name this condition? We've covered it in previous videos. Is it A, a lipoma, B, shoulder cyst, or C, osteosarcoma? Leave your comments and opinions below. Today I'd like to tell you about cystbursting.com on Facebook. That's right, my favorite webpage now has a Facebook page with over 250,000 followers. Wow. While you watch some video highlights from the page on screen, I'll tell you a bit more. This tonsil stone removal represents some of the cool content you'll see on the page. With daily popping compilations, the page offers more new dermatology content than any YouTube page on the planet. So folks, what are you waiting for? There's a link in the description below, or type facebook.com/freakymedical into your browser. Click the like button and follow all the updates.
This is me from Double Shot at Lev. Congratulations on all the weight you've lost. I would say my motivation for staying healthy and fit is to have a positive mindset and to take care of yourself and your body first. Your journey is your own journey and not anybody else's.
Act now and start burning fat immediately. Coupled with diet and exercise, Thynergy is the fastest, best way to meet your weight loss goals.